I'm in sunny California shooting some brand new content for the channel, coming soon. But the news never stops, so let's do it. I'm Sanjay C, and this is your weekly source for the latest gear and plugins from the music production world. We've got a brand new trap vocals plugin. I'll test it out today, and yes, it's got auto-tune built in. Technica has released an updated USB microphone. I've got a plugin of the week that will make your drums hit harder, and some summer deals you don't want to miss. I've also got a unique free plugin that helps you test your mix in a car. Artists, storytellers, beatmakers, this is Sanjay C News. We have to start out with this one first. It's a trap vocal plugin, and it's just $19 for a limited time. It's Trap Tune by United Plugins. So the idea of a trap vocal plugin is pretty cool, I think. And this plugin gives you multiple effects in one plugin, including that auto-tune effect.
She just wanna ride with the top down, driving to the sun in the west.
You can make it mild or even extreme. And they've added other effects like distortion, reverb, delay, and a harmonizer.
Yeah, that's right. I bet some women wanna bring me home tonight, and that's on sight. That's on sight. She just wanna my side. She just wanna
I tested it out with Lalo's vocals from my mic comparison video, and I really liked the results I got with some tuning, distortion, and a little format shifting. Trap Tune is available for $19 for a limited time. I'll put a link to the discounted price below the video. Technica has announced a brand new mic, the AT2020 USB X, which is an updated version to their AT2020 USB Plus. They've updated the mic to 24-bit 96 kHz quality. They've also added a capacitive touch mute button. The mic glows blue when it's active and red when it's muted. That's pretty useful for podcasters and streamers, I think. If you're a vocalist, the mic has a direct monitoring feature that allows you to hear yourself directly from the mic and a volume control on the mic to adjust it. If you're interested in learning more, I'll put a link to it in the description. All right, it's time for Plugin of the Week. Every week I check out a cool plugin and give you an exclusive discount code for it. This week you can get Knock from Plugins That Knock for $70 using the link below and the code SanjayC30. Knock is a multi-effect plugin that helps your drums hit harder and punch through your mix. It was developed with producer Decap. Knock includes a transient shaper, saturation, a sub-generator, air, and a clipper. You can get Knock for $70 using the code SanjayC30 and the link below this video. Time for question of the week. What plugins do you use specifically for trap? This could be instruments, effects, whatever. What would you recommend? Comment below. All right, another new plugin. Ramp is another brand new plugin from BeatSkills. Ramp is a volume shaper plugin, and it lets you easily control rhythmic volume ramps at different beat divisions. This can obviously be used to get that familiar pumping effect for EDM, but you get some extra controls for attack and release, angle, and band pass. So you can affect just certain frequencies. And you get the M control for controlling the depth of the effect. Ramp is $29, link is below. All right, I've got 3 deals for you today. Well, 2 deals and 1 reminder of an important deal. UJM is having their summer sale right now, and they've got multiple plugins on sale, including their new U-Synth, the Finisher Voodoo, and Deep. Thermal by Output is also on sale. I love Thermal, one of the best distortion plugins out there. And of course, here's the reminder, if you haven't got the Native Instruments FM8 for $10 deal, go get it. You don't want to miss out on that one.
We're in LA, and every single day has exceeded the next. It's because of creators like you. We've met really incredible people. And talking about creative, meet our next artist, Sheckler Music. Sheckler is from Germany. His favorite and go-to synth plugin is Vital. He uses Isotope Break Tweaker and Augmented Strings by Arturia. Sheckler created this track, one of a 4-part series. He's describing a virus outbreak through different emotions. Really interesting way to tell a story through music. Follow Sheckler Music on Instagram, and to have your music featured on SanjayC News, follow and tag SanjayC on Instagram, hashtag SanjayC News so we can find your beat, and keep making the music that tells your story.
All right, it's time for the freebie, and this week's freebie is super unique. This is Car Test by Rocket Powered Sound, and it's simple. Add this plugin to your mix and you can hear what your mix sounds like in a car. Yeah, we all like to test our mixes in a car, but now you don't even need a car. Wow, now there's free cars on SanjayC News. You can get Car Test for free using the link below. So what am I doing in Los Angeles? Well, a lot. I toured a factory, met Manny Marroquin, more YouTube creators, and sat in one of the most epic listening sessions ever. There's so much content to share, and I'll be rolling it out as soon as I'm back home. Until then, watch one of these videos and keep making the music you love. I'll see you soon.